What's up, guys? Well, this happened. Never thought I'd be making a video like this ever, which is super insane to me. But let me introduce you guys to my new Audi S5. Well, let me start off by saying I have an S3 as well. That's not going anywhere. That's staying with me, but I'm just bringing a new edition. So it's the 2013 Audi S5. For those who have been in the channel before and knew I used to have a B8.5 coupe as well, A5, but it wasn't an S5. So let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, it's a 2013 S5 Prestige. So let's walk around it, I guess. So it came with silver wheels. It has slotted rotors. The brake calipers are painted red. The rear are black. The fitment is horrible. We'll get to that sooner or later. If you can tell, it's actually really clean. Like, look at the paint. Thing is mint. So it has 70,000 miles on it, which is a little bit used, but yeah, as I show you throughout the video, it's well taken care of. It has actually an aftermarket exhaust. I don't think the S5s come with boreless. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is aftermarket, I'm sure. So it has a Borla exhaust. It's not too loud actually, so I am gonna make it louder. But yeah, if you guys can tell, this thing is like clean. From what I've seen so far, it's been well taken care of, been maintained. But let me show you the interior. I don't want to hit my, oh my god, whatever. So it comes with the bucket seats, the suede. Ooh, I always wanted these seats so fucking bad. It's so dope. And I got the carbon fiber interior, so that's dope as fuck. And then flat bottom steering wheel. It's crazy. It's stuff I always wanted in my A5, but I just never had, like these seats. If you can tell, usually how I can tell if they're really beat up or used or abused is by the bolstering. Usually this goes out. It is a little bit creased, but that's from getting in and out. They are quite bolstered, but this is a main tell that I always look at whenever I was looking at S5s or things like that, because you can tell how much they were worn out, you know, from getting in and out and stuff like that. So either the person was very careful how they got in or took care of it. But other than that, yeah, guys. So if you know me, you already know I mod my cars insanely fast. No exception with this one. This one's getting fully modded out already. I already have a bunch of stuff on order that should be coming in soon. I have parts for my old A5 that are going to be going on this, so stay tuned. I'm going to have a whole lot of content because I did miss this car so much just because it was so clean. I'll put up a little video if I have of my old car, or I'll post it down below. You can click the link and you guys can take a look at that. But guys, welcome to my new Audi S5, and I still have the S3, which is a little beast, but this one's going to be a lot faster. So guys, thank you for watching. I know it's kind of quick video, but I want to introduce you guys to my new Audi S5. This is Godzilla. I don't know what to name this one. If you have any recommendations, put them in the comments below. Alright guys, till next time. Peace. Oh, and like and subscribe. Bye.